Hello friends, welcome to I Made Me Think end-to-end website testing using Selenium, Cucumber and Java video tutorial. So we were discussing about property dealing related website example, and then we saw what are the important features to be considered and some common features. And now let's see some of the end-to-end scenario and how it can be tested. So let's take a simple example of basics of scenario, end-to-end scenario. So user does a basic search for a property and then browse property photos or contact the agent or seller, or browse property and look for amenities, or modify search and add remove property selecting criteria. Another end-to-end scenario would be basic search for property, then filter the search result by some category or some criteria, for example number of bedroom, number of BHK, or what is the budget range, or simply the user will clear the search criteria and search again, search afresh. So let's see the actual example. Let's say I have opened this website, and the first thing what I have to do is I have to choose a city. So let's choose some city, for example Goa, and here also let's choose some example, for example Pune. So the first step is user does a search, and there will beach and 2 BHK is the criteria, and my budget is this much, and not available properties. Okay, and then search. Here also let's put some criteria. For example, I am looking for some property in this particular area, and search. So in the search result screen, here also I'm getting some property. So the scenario would be I will see the property photos. Here user browses the property photos, and user does a inquiry or call to the developer, and then user has to provide all the details. Similarly here some properties are available, and user does a sorting by this criteria. So these are the examples of end-to-end scenario. Let's say user selects this property and user intends to contact the buyer or seller, and then you have to log in, and then a text message will be sent to the particular buyer or seller. So these are some of the end-to-end scenarios, but when we see the actual code, there are a couple of more end-to-end scenarios which are good to be validated for a typical property buy, sell, rent related website. Thanks for watching.